Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Redmi Note 12T Pro. And first of all, let me tell you, whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you in the tutorial will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings for, so just scroll down right next to the camera, because then you will have always here the control center, and the part of the control center is always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you will need to point additional settings, so scroll down. And you will have then here this gray icon with 3 gray points in it. Tap on it. And now you will need the second point here, languages and input. And now you will need the first point for languages. Okay, now you can choose a language of many here. Yeah, let's keep going on in English, maybe to follow the video better. Let's take your English with the dialect of India. So sometimes you can choose also a local dialect here, as you can see now. And tap down on the blue button to confirm. And now I'm having here English with the dialect of India on my phone. Yeah, as you can see, pretty simple. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.